What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We are back here. Got the bikes in the bag, man. Got the blue bike. That thing is up for grabs, man. We literally have 90 spots left at this very moment. We have 90 spots left. We just went live on it yesterday, man. So if you haven't grabbed your ticket already, man, be sure to get your ticket if they aren't already all gone already. You know how that goes. The slots are really filling up fast. We literally have 90 spots left, man. You get this 2018 Harley Davidson, man, and you get a taste of Cali, brought to whatever city, shipped to you directly. You know how it goes. I cover everything. Don't worry about it. It will come right to your door unless you want to fly out here and get it yourself and ride it back. Hey, whatever is your flavor, man, I'm here for it. But today, man, we got the wrap in the back. We're on our way to the city because I'm actually gonna be picking up a 21 for that bike right there, and then I'm gonna try to find a wraparound fender while I'm out there as well. So we'll see how that goes. I know Dre got the wheel for me. Got to probably find a tire, but we'll see how it goes, man. Let's hop in the car and get up out of here, though. No bikes today, but I am gonna take my ramps and my straps just in case, because you never know. So hey, it is what it is, man. Let's get going. Alrighty, fill up time, man. I'm gonna call it. I'm pretty sure it's gonna take the whole $110. That's all it's getting out of me today, man. We're gonna see how it go. Man. I haven't been in this thing in a minute, actually. In a minute, I've been on that bike, man, but missed the Raptor. About to go slide to the city. They might have some bike festivities later on today that we might slide to after we get our 21, the tire on that thing, and then possibly try to find a wraparound for it. So we'll just see. Wow, now that's surprising. Yeah, I got $4 to spare. That was really surprising, man. I just made it to the city, man. It's freaking hot as heck out here, like 80 degrees, man. I should have brought the bike. It would have been a perfect day to slide and glide, but you know, I don't want to ride it too much more, knowing that one of you guys are going to get on it and then just be having a ball. So I want to keep it fresh and everything for you guys, but gotta try to find a wraparound fender or something. We waiting on Dre to get back to the shop right now, so gonna make a couple calls and see what we can get done, man. In the meantime, man, y'all see we have to pull up to Woody's barbecue, man, and get some good old barbecue, man. Thinking I want to get some ribs and stuff too, but I don't know. I didn't already order, man. So I ended up getting something quick. It's like a sliced beef sandwich type of ordeal. I should have got the ribs, but I didn't already ordered it, man. It's all good. And now that we finished up eating that, I'm about to go down here and slide to the homies down here filming and stuff downtown. See what's popping, man. You see what's going on, man. We in a wrap sliding with the clear tops off, man. We literally have about 75 tickets left at this point right here, guys. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you log in to everythingsregular.com and go get your ticket today. We just went live on this thing maybe just like about a day and a half ago now. So I'm thinking before Friday, hopefully we should have this thing all finished up and this bike will be getting sent out to one of you guys. So make sure you tune in and go get your ticket right away. Out here downtown, man, these buildings is freaking huge, dog. Got some nice little paintings coming along. The homies is out here filming this. It's supposed to be like Tiffany Haddish or something. Just put up to the homie house. I remember this bike came from Copart, Michigan. Pretty much color matched the bags and stuff. Got that little pinstripe on there, same as the one up here. Feel me? Another little Copart bike, man. If y'all want to learn anything about Copart, make sure you go ahead and click that link below, man. Let me teach you something, dog. And y'all see the man with the plan. My boy got the 21 for me. The 21 for me. Y'all see what's going on, man. Big 21s for the freaking black bike that we just scored. We got to go take this thing to the crib. Freaking clean it up. Get this thing tossed on there. I can't wait. Y'all see what's going on, man. My boy done switched his whole bike up, man. I ain't came down here in a week. Came back and seen the video. I'm like, what the heck? But if y'all haven't already, man, go tune into the homie channel, man. Look at his video. Just switched everything up. This is the owner of the yellow bike, man. It ain't yellow no more, man. So Y'all go tune in. He got us to 21, so we about to go back to the crib, toss this thing on. But first, we probably about to go see somebody turn up on the bike, man. You know how it go. We in LA, so gotta give y'all a show, man. It's out here going up. I need to get y'all in 60 frames. Hold up.
That nigga playing with it. Chasing that motherfucker.
Alrighty, guys, we are just about finished up in the city, man. It is time to head to the cribbo. Got to get our 21 and see a couple wheelies and stuff like that, man. So about to dig through traffic and get back on this highway, man. Alrighty, guys, made it back to the house next morning here. We got that 21 right here, man. It is time to throw that bad boy on. About to freaking set this thing up on the jack. Move this blue bike probably over here. I can actually do it right here. I don't even gotta move it. So let's get this 21 on there, man. I'm trying to see how this thing looks. We already ordered the wraparound for it, so that thing should be here in a couple days. It will come unpainted, so when we get it, it will have to go to the paint shop and get a fresh gloss black. Then we can find those turn signals as well, man. So let's get this thing on here and see how that thing looks real quick now, shall we? Just like that, guys. Got that 21 on that bad boy, man. That thing is looking freaking fire. Oh my God. Just imagine when that freaking wraparound gets on there. It's gonna be so sick. And I haven't even cleaned this wheel up, but y'all just get the idea of how we coming, man. I remember when I didn't even know how to switch my own wheels and stuff. Now I'm doing a dang thing, man. But yeah, I'm digging it, man. Looks way better now. Could clean it up later on and stuff, but I think I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow or later on today rather to come down and get it cleaned up and mess with it. That thing is looking so good. That wraparound fender is on its way, so I can't wait to get that thing on there. This thing will look that much better, man. So let me know what you guys think about it right now in the comments below. As for the blue bike, guys, we have about 54 tickets left. Trying to get this thing out to you guys as soon as possible. We only have 54 slots available, man. So if you guys did buy a ticket, don't hesitate to go try your luck. Well, up your luck rather, and go get a second one. If you got some friends or something, man, and they don't got a bike, man, be sure to let them know that the raffle is still going on. We have about 54 slots left for this 2018 Harley Davidson Street Glide. And this thing is a beauty now. I'm just kicking back, just looking. I'm like, man, with that 21 on that black bike now, it would be freaking dope to just give it a fresh paint, but this black actually looks really, really good. So I think I'm gonna hold on to the black for a while, like the color at least. But if you guys haven't already, man, go peep the giveaway. We going up. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. It's bright and early. You know I'm happy. I got my hands dirty, blessed before 7 a.m., man. You know I've been excited to get that thing on there. The 21 is on there. The wraparound is on its way, man. So I can't wait to see what this thing looks like when that fender gets here. As for the blue bike, like I said, that thing is up on giveaway right now. We just have over 50 slots left. So hopefully today or tomorrow, that giveaway should be complete and done. And by Friday, judging that it's complete today or tomorrow, we'll be going live giving the bike away Friday evening or Saturday morning for sure, man. So stay tuned for that. But without further ado, man, I'll have to catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.